Bye, Shashank.
I think you can remove the Coca-Cola can from the screen because we all know that you are now soon gonna become the brand ambassador of Coca-Cola. I think.
I wish.
The more I stay with you, I'm becoming a bigger Coca-Cola fan. I think.
Great to know that.
Hi Jyoti. देख सबसे important बात. I think you know why we are doing this, and it is not that we do not talk to each other and it's like a catch-up call. It's like this is like a mandate call because when I thought I'll start lockdown with Shashank, I thought who better to start than with you. It had to start with you. And
so I don't have a caller, but still.
Yeah. So more so because I thought Jyoti na generally video calls में believe नहीं करती है. So I thought maybe I have to create an entire show around it and an entire podcast around it to bring Jyoti on a video call with me because she is connected to me on all social platforms, TikTok से लेके WhatsApp तक, and we talk every day. But you have just never video called me. Why is that, Jyoti? Let's address that.
So should I open all your dark secrets over here?
Yeah, you can go ahead, but I'm sure you're making them up. I am sure you're making them all up because there's no dark secrets.
I don't believe in lies. So the main point here is Shashank Mishra was always busy FaceTiming his so many girlfriends.
Hey, what? Shashank is single, by the way.
Yeah, pseudo single. I know that.
Single. Pseudo
single. ठीक है.
ऐसा कुछ
And ऐसा ही है. Look, I also know. You also know it pretty well. And those girls also know this. So yeah. Shashank is always busy FaceTiming his girlfriends and me, the lonely girl on this planet.
Achha, lonely. We'll come to that.
Yeah, the lonely girl on this planet.
Yeah.
He has never has any time for me.
Right. I know you're very lonely, but I am aware of the fact that your loneliness has suddenly ended in the times of Corona. And can you give us a little insight and a little sneak peek into that part of your life, which is suddenly all colorful and rainbowy? What is going on? Who's this new guy on the throne?
So all this lovey-dovey love story of mine has started in this era of coronavirus. Yeah, I met this guy on one of the social platforms. He randomly sent me friend request and I accepted because his profile looked very cool and he seemed to be a very intellectual person. I am attracted to intelligence. I'm attracted to intelligence. That's why I'm a friend of Shashank Mishra.
Oh my God, and he's the least intelligent person in your life then.
Yeah, I know. That's why you always topped class. Don't you dare to forget that I was your, classmate in graduation. Yeah, in graduation days.
No, I think. Kuch bhi. Achha, then he sent you a request and then what happened? You accepted?
Yeah, he sent me one request and I accepted it. And I still remember the first night when we started talking to each other. At the very first night, we did one night out. We were up till 7 in the morning. And this guy, I never knew him. And I think he is the first guy who has entered in my life, giving me, such kind of experiences. I never felt like this before.
Okay. So it's nice with him. I know him from my first job actually. He is a mutual contact and I just wonder sometimes, though we have never met before and we were not like colleagues, we were in the same company in different cities, but I somehow believe that we sit here and we crib about our past relationships not working and our life not going the way we planned to, and then suddenly out of nowhere something happens,
someone arrives
and something happens and we are all like, oh, that's the new thing. And that is exactly what happened, because I believe last year around 3 months back or 2 months back, we were again on a con call and we were discussing कि क्या हो गया ये life को, and you were going through a rough phase and a rough
कैसे हो गया मेरे साथ,
कैसे हो गया हमारे साथ, because I was equally invested. And then look at us now, we don't even remember what happened and we have swiftly, I will not use the word move on.
We both never look back.
We never look back. That's
we never look back.
Thing.
That's it. That is our trait.
I I'm sure. And plus, this guy is very warm. I have talked to him abhi tak jitni baar bhi. I've always found such familiarity in the way he addresses you and addresses all of your friends and me especially. It's so nice and warm to have him in our lives, and I'm like, wow, that's a fresh breath of air.
On that note, he's a big fan of.
Oh, and you are freezing actually. I cannot hear you.
Like he mentioned, we are okay. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Sudhachis.
Yeah.
So, on that note, I would say that he's a great big fan of yours.
Oh, okay.
Like, Shashank se to competition mein jeetna hi hai. I have to make up that 9 years within 9 months.
Oh my God, yeah. Yeah, Jyoti, that reminds me of 9 years. We are friends since 2011. I think we have already almost lived a decade now. And it makes me scared that what if 2020 the corona is the last year of human race and we will just not make it to 10 years. ऐसा नहीं होगा, you think?
भूत बन के घूम लेंगे इसमें क्या है?
Yeah, true.
But definitely we are going to stick to each other in every situation. Obviously we will. You
are family, you know. I keep telling people might have a lot of conjectures that Shashank is dating Jyoti and his girlfriend and all of that. BFF, but I just keep telling everybody that she's family. Yeah.
And I think we both are, pretty comfortable now. All this with all this kind of linkages and stories which always revolves around our lives because.
Discussing us. And
do you need any stories? We are going. The thing is, do you need stories? We are going to provide it. We are going to provide it. Yeah.
So we are content creators anyway.
Yes.
And what about else? I obviously know that work from home is very hectic. I am a victim of that. But what are you doing apart from working from home? What are you doing in general?
Yeah, so like most of the time it's only work because now it's like my team is very flexible with timings and all, and so as am I. Apart from that, I'm taking virtual classes, fitness classes. I'm a cult member. And along with that, I'm creating content for my Insta handle, for my YouTube channel. I'm a dancer. I choreograph a lot of dance videos. Do check out my link down below in the description section.
We'll do that. I will definitely add your link, Miss YouTuber.
Yeah.
But are you watching something? Are you reading something? What are you doing?
Look, most of the time, like 50% of the time I'm working. My job is, it's most of the data crunching and people's management. It deals with a lot of analytics and everything. So yeah, definitely to enhance my skills, I am going, I'm taking few of the lessons of data visualizations tools and analytical tools. Apart from that, just before this video, I just had one session with my whole Coca-Cola family, and I was on live with my whole Coke family, and it was regarding discussion with Jyoti Nag, as I am a national level volleyball player. Yeah, so they just wanted to hear. It was kind of pop talk, and it was a good feel, and it really went well.
Nice, I'm looking forward to seeing the video, and the link of that will also be in the description below.
But I don't think they're going to publish it because it's only intensive to our family, means our Coke fraternity. Yeah, okay. So it was live. That's it. Anyways, people are seeing me here.
Nice. Are you missing doing anything during Corona? What are you missing?
I am missing going out and have my glass of LIT and dance to the fullest. Yeah.
Okay.
I miss being hit by random guys in pubs.
But aren't you in a relationship now? I think you have to miss it for eternity now.
ठीक है ना, थोड़ा मोड़ा चलता है.
अच्छा, मैं उसको बोलूंगा I'll tell Mayank to keep hitting on you every day on a daily basis.
That too, with the new style,
With a new
हमेशा same style नहीं.
New style, new roop.
Approach.
He'll change clothes, he'll change his look and do that. Yeah.
Why not we do role play?
Oh my
God. Go ahead with doing role playing.
Listen, TMI. Okay. Now, Jyoti, we are stepping into the next segment of our episode here, which is called Awkward Questions with Shashank. I will be shooting awkward questions at you, and you will have to be very prompt with your answers. You'll have to answer spontaneously and in very fast. You cannot take a lot of time. Okay, and not all questions are.
This is one of my weakness, spontaneity.
We will try help you to. We will help you to bridge it today. Okay. One stereotype Jyoti Nag hates, which people assume about her.
That I'm a jhagdalu. I'm not a jhagdalu. I hate fights.
Okay. One hashtag that you are hating currently.
Hashtag that I'm hating currently. Quarantine life.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
One celebrity wardrobe that you would want to steal.
Celebrity wardrobe I want to steal. Kylie Jenner.
Oh. Can I say me too? I don't know. I just want it all. I don't know if I obviously not be wearing them.
Especially her makeup.
Yeah.
I love nude makeups.
High five. Okay. The app you're wasting the most time on these days?
I think TikTok. Though I'm not posting my videos publicly, but I just save them and post it on my Insta. That's it.
Okay. Can I name
Those another
app?
Videos.
Can I name another app that you're wasting the most time on? Ludo. Yeah, and making me also waste time on Ludo. That's worse.
Have you wasted a single moment also?
Yeah, I wasted explaining you that I cannot waste time on Ludo.
You are busy preparing your PPTs, ignoring me. How come this PPT is more important than me?
Oh my God. I need to connect with my manager. I need to connect with my manager.
You owe me an apology treat for this.
Okay, I owe you many apology treats, I think.
Yes, you owe me.
Okay, the next question is the craziest place you have made out.
Craziest place? I think train wala bathroom.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. If you wake up one day and you turn into a man, what will you do?
I will fuck my woman.
Okay.
Day and night.
Okay.
Day and night. Okay. I'm gonna leave her.
Okay, but what if you're single? Wake up as a man and you're single.
I will go and poop.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, cool. The next question is, your boyfriend's used toothbrush or boyfriend's used underwear?
He uses me.
He uses you? What does that mean? What would you prefer? Your boyfriend's used toothbrush or boyfriend's used underwear?
Oh, used underwear.
Oh, okay. What would you prefer?
Yeah.
Being sticky for a lifetime or being sticky for a lifetime?
What?
What would you prefer? Being itchy for a lifetime or being sticky for a lifetime?
Sticky to my man.
Would you prefer shunning your boyfriend for a month or shunning makeup for a month?
Boyfriend.
Okay.
I can get another boyfriend, no yaar.
Yeah, okay. Okay. The last time you kissed somebody, how long was it? How long ago was it?
Last time, yeah, I think it was in January, and it was around a minute.
Okay. The worst pickup line used on you?
The worst. तुम्हारे पापा टेररिस्ट है क्या? जो इतने बड़े पटाखे बनाते हैं?
Oh my God.
Clingiest ever.
Did that date ever happen?
No.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Okay. The last part of this segment is let me check your millennial lingo awareness. So I'll be shooting millennial abbreviations at you, which we use in regular chatting. And since you are in love, you're chatting a lot. I know that. So let's see if you...
Look, I'm also very desi. I'm also very desi. He's also desi.
But it's very easy. Trust me, it's very easy. They're not very tough. There are a few of them might be.
I will try. I will score 0 in this game, in this segment.
For
sure.
FYI, first one, FYI.
For your information.
Perfect. See, there you go. The next one is TLTR.
TLTR.
That is precisely what I answer when you send me those long messages and I have to edit them.
Acha. Talk.
Too long to read.
Okay, too long to read. Okay, fine.
Okay, the next one is TBH.
This is a very common one. I know. This is a very common one. I'm feeling, I'm feeling so educated right now. You're educating me about all this lingos. I have no clue. I haven't used it any time. Though I know these things exist, but TBH.
To be honest.
Before R.
To be honest,
oh fuck.
Okay, and the last one, which is very easy, which is TGIF.
This is a restaurant, right?
Yeah,
it's a restaurant chain.
Yeah, it is a restaurant chain as well, but it has a meaning to it. TGIF. It's something exactly you're gonna say tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow. Too good.
No. It's thank God it's Friday. And we can see Jyoti Nagar
it's a special
failed at urban lingos. She's
it's a special request to all it's a special request to all of you. Those who are watching our video, please do not judge me based on this last segment.
Yeah.
Humble request.
So we all have established the fact that Jyoti might be a nerd in all aspects of life, and she is very successful and does amazing, sincere stuff in her life, but she's just very bad at when it comes to millennial urban lingos.
I am very outdated. I think I belong to some
old school
primitive Paleolithic age. I don't belong to this era, to be honest. I'm a very desi insan. I use simple wala baat, which I do. That's it.
Okay. And Jyoti, tell me something else, something more. So we have ended the segment. We will be ending the call in a while. So anything else? Anything that's keeping you awake these nights apart from long conversations on call and playing Ludo? Apart from that, what else is? What are you thinking? What are you doing? What are your plans for times after Corona? What is the first thing that you will do, perhaps?
Okay. So what I think this 2 or 3 months of time which I'm getting now not off from my office, but still I'm getting time for pretty much time for myself. I think this is a good time to utilize and enhance your skills, to develop some of the skills which you think can help you later in your job life. Maybe it can be personal growth or anything related to your professional growth. So currently, what I'm doing is I have enrolled myself in some online courses of data visualizations and data analytics related tools and all. So I'm currently learning all those tools. I know they're going to help me they are helping me and they will help me. And apart from that, I have choreographed few of the videos which are yet to be shot, that I will do soon. So raat mein to usually I plan for my next day ka schedule, ki tomorrow what I'm going to do, what I'm going to do, which segment I'm going to shoot, if I'm going to shoot for some video or any photo shoot. Thank God my sister is also here and she is helping a lot with all my photo shoots and video shoots. So yeah, it's pretty much mixture of both, this job wala thing and my personal, my passion. It's a mixture of both. It's a concoction of both.
Nice. And Jyoti,
Hope I have answered your question.
Yes, you have amazingly well. And this just reminds me, when you discuss about your personal interests and passion, I got reminded of the fact that we were discussing that day also, that since a lot of people from our professional life also are a part of our social media, and whatever we do and post there kind of brings an impact to what image they hold about us.
Correct.
Sometimes even I feel that, but I've never feel pressurized because of that. But a lot of friends and colleagues of mine who are constantly threatened, if I can call that, threatened by that whatever they do on social media will bring an impact on their professional work. And I wonder why do I need to be boring to be sincere, is what I always ask people.
Correct. I think one should be be themselves. Like, I also face things like this which you have mentioned now, but I'm a pretty confident lady, and I know I'm going to excel in my job. I'm doing pretty well, and definitely I will try to grow. I'm learning. I will try to learn. I cannot be stagnant at any point of my life. And if people are thinking and judging you based on some social media post or something, you should never be worried about that, because that is your life. You are living your life. Nobody is there to handle, and you shouldn't ever give someone the power to handle your life. This is what it is. This is how I am. And I know all my family, my close friends, they know me. They are always supportive of whatever I am doing and whatever I'll do. So based on some random shit, hatao yaar. Never think about it. Just be yourself.
Very well said. Yeah, Jyoti, I agree to all of that. And yes, so I think it was wonderful chatting with you. And any speech that you have ready for, because you mentioned that you will say something in the end before I end the call. So the floor is all yours. Go ahead before we stop the recording, and we will catch up after that innumerable hours, any which way.
I never expected that Shashank Mishra is going to, invite me for his lockdown with Shashank session.
Podcast.
Seriously, never I have imagined that. Yeah. But it's really overwhelming, and I'm glad that he has invited me, because this is, I think, a new experience for me, that I'm speaking to a camera. It's pretty well. And Shashank is a very good friend of mine, as everybody knows, though we are not in a relationship.
But very good friend. Okay.
Let me finish the floor. Wait, this is my time. You cannot interrupt.
Okay.
Yeah. So he's a very good friend of mine.
Yeah.
Now, after 9 years of togetherness, we have become a family now. Yeah. And I still remember that when I got convocated, it was Shashank who was there along with my family, because I knew who is my family. He's going to be there, and he was there. He was through all my thick and thins whenever I needed him. Kabhi bhi kuch bhi hota tha, like, ab kya hoga mera? Then only one person was always stuck to me, and it was Shashank. And he's still there for me. With silliest of doubts. I know, because he's not going to judge me ever. Like, many of us, we have this inhibitions, like, if I ask this sort of a question, if I come up with this sort of solution, I might get judged. And people, many a times they hold them back. And I think that is not a right way to do things. Maybe you have the best solution among the whole team. So Shashank has helped me grow. He was there for me. He's still there for me.
Yeah, and I will always be, and I don't need tareef to be with you. You have given me enough.
Dil se tareef nikla, bande le.
I know. But itna value addition mere life mein tumhara hai, and you play such an important role, and I don't think that I need to say or do anything now to make you aware of how important you are. So yeah, definitely.
Same with you.
Yeah. Chalo, theek hai, Jyoti, thank you and amazing. It was great having you here, and I loved it that you could allow me to borrow some time of your busy love schedule that you are following.
Look,
yeah.
You also know that
Yeah.
there were many relationships in the past,
Yeah.
but I have never ignored my friend. अब तो तू भैया family है, तुझे कैसे ignore करूँ मैं?
Definitely, you know, that's what does not make me insecure at all of losing my best friend, because I just know that there are plans beyond, you know, just the friendship. I mean, we have so many plans to be globetrotters together and everything.
Correct.
Be neighbors in future and all of that. So I think it's beyond everything, and yeah, we're gonna stick to each other forever.
Obviously.
Bye, Jyoti. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thanks for invitation. I hope I have lived to your expectations.
Oh my
I
God,
hope
you
people.
nailed it.
I hope people would like it. Like, comment, and subscribe. The description. Everything is down in the description box.
Bye.
Bye.